This is the brief on ISO 14040-2006. Okay, so if you're an EHS pro and you're trying to figure out the real environmental cost of a product, from raw materials all the way to the trash heap, well, this standard is your blueprint. It's all about life cycle assessment, or LCA. First up, there are 4 mandatory phases. You start by defining your goal, then you do your inventory analysis, that's tallying up all the inputs and outputs, before you assess the actual environmental impact. But here's the key. It's not a straight line, it's iterative. You'll often have to circle back and tweak things as you learn more. Second, you've got to master the functional unit. Think about it. Since LCA is a relative approach, you need a common benchmark to make fair comparisons, right? So you measure performance based on a specific job, like, say, drying one pair of hands. That way, you're really comparing apples to apples. And finally, you have to watch out for burden shifting. The standard's wide view ensures that reducing an impact in one spot, like manufacturing, doesn't just push the problem downstream to disposal. You're making sure you don't just shift pollution from the air into the soil. So in the end, ISO 14040 gives you a transparent framework to compare your options fairly without accidentally just moving pollution from one bucket to another. Use this method to make environmental decisions that are actually sustainable, not just compliant.